Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Let's dive into JavaScript switch statements in a concise manner. JavaScript switch statement tutorial. The switch statement is a control flow statement that allows you to execute different blocks of code based on the value of an expression. It is often used as an alternative to multiple if-else statements when dealing with numerous conditions. Basic syntax. JavaScript. Switch, expression. Case value 1. / code to be executed if expression == value 1. Break. Case value 2. / code to be executed if expression == value 2. Break. Default. / code to be executed if expression doesn't match any case. Key points. 1. Expression, the value that is evaluated once and compared with the values of each case. 2. Case, each case keyword is followed by a value, and if the expression matches this value, the corresponding block of code is executed. 3. Break, the break statement is used to exit the switch block. If omitted, execution will continue to the next case, this is known as fall through. 4. Default, the default case is optional and can be used if none of the other cases match. It acts like the final else in an if-else statement. Example code. Let's create a simple example where we use a switch statement to determine the type of a day based on its number, 1 for Monday, 2 for Tuesday, etc. JavaScript. Function getDayType, day number. Switch, day number. Case 1. Return Monday, start of the work week. Case 2. Return Tuesday, second day of the work week. Case 3. Return Wednesday, midweekday. Case 4. Return Thursday, almost the weekend. Case 5. Return Friday, last workday of the week. Case 6. Return Saturday, weekend. Case 7. Return Sunday, weekend. Default. Return invalid day number. Please enter a number between 1 and 7. / example usage. Console.log, getDayType, 1, / outputs, Monday, start of the work week. Console.log, getDayType, 5, / outputs, Friday, last workday of the week. Console.log, getDayType, 8, / outputs, invalid day number. Please enter a number between 1 and 7. Explanation of the code. 1. Function declaration, we define a function getDayType that takes a parameter day number. 2. Switch statement, inside the function, we use the switch statement to evaluate day number. 3. Cases, each case corresponds to a day of the week, providing a specific message for each number. 4. Default case, the default case handles any invalid input that doesn't match numbers 1 to 7. 5. Return statements, each case and the default return a string that describes the day type. Conclusion. The switch statement in JavaScript is a powerful tool for handling multiple conditions in a clean and efficient way. It's especially useful when you have a fixed set of values to compare against a single expression. Remember to always use break unless you intentionally want to allow fall-through behavior. Now you should have a clear understanding of how to use switch statements in JavaScript. Happy coding!